Hello everyone, welcome to this next video of basic kanji learning. Till now we have learned kanjis of numbers, different days like gekka, sui, moku, kindo, nichi. We have learned these kanjis and now today we are going to learn next kanjis related to numbers. Okay, let me share my screen and we will start. The first kanji which we are going to learn today is yaku, kanji of 100. Yaku, Byaku or Pyaku. Okay. This kanji doesn't have any kunyomi reading. Yaku, Byaku or Pyaku. Yaku is 100. Niyaku, Sanbyaku, Ropyaku, Hapyaku. Okay. We have learned these words when we learned how to read numbers. Right. So Sanbyaku, Ropyaku, Hapyaku. Here it becomes different. Okay. Otherwise it is Yaku. And this is a word Yaoya, which is for vegetable shop. Okay, this is a different word, but that word also has this kanji. So this is included in the list. At least remember these words. How will you remember this kanji? If you see this, it is the kanji of sun and something like a hat here. Okay, so this is kanji of sun and something like a hat. Okay, then next is 1000. 1000 is sen, zen or chi. Sen is 1000. So when you say 1000, it is sen. Ni sen is 2000. In san, it becomes zen. San zen is 3000. Then hassen. So where the sound becomes different, those words I have included here. Sanzen, hassen. Then sen en. This is very familiar kanji. This is the kanji of en, which is the currency of Japan, en. So sen en is 1000 yen. Then sen nen is 1000 years. Okay, nen is for year, sen nen 1000 years. Kanji symbol is very simple. If you remember, we have learned the kanji of 10. You are giving just one more stroke here. Okay, then next one is 10,000. That is man or ban. Ichiman is 10,000. Juman is 100,000. Okay, even if it is Ju, but it is man. Man itself is a 10,000, right? So Juman is 10,000, like 100,000. Then Yakuman is 1 million. Manenhitsu is fountain pen. Banzai, banzai, okay? And Manichi is very rare chance. Once in 10,000 is Manichi. Okay. So these are the different words related to this kanji. This kanji looks very similar to one more kanji, which is kata, or I'll just write it here. This kanji is very much similar to this kanji, only this stroke is missing here. So if you add one stroke here, then that becomes a different kanji. Okay. So this is 10,000. Next one is N, that is yen. Okay. It is the currency of Japan. 100 yen, yakuen. N or maru is circle. The literal meaning of this kanji is circle. Then marui is round. En daka, strong yen. En yasu, weak yen. These are some terms from economy. And da en is oval. This is a shape, da en oval. Okay. So this is yen. This is a very simple kanji to remember from the kanji of rice field, if you remember. Rice field is complete square, right? Here we don't have complete square, but only half part is there of that kanji. Okay. And the last kanji for today is nen or toshi. Year. Nen or toshi. It is year or age. Ni sen nen is year 2000. 2000 year. Ni-sen is 2000. Rai-nen, next year. This is the kanji of kuru, kimas, to come. The year which is to come is Rai-nen, next year. Nen-kin is pension. If you see this word, nen and kin. Nen is year, kin is the kanji of money, khane. Right? Nen-kin, pension. Now this kanji, then the kanji of sen. They are similar, right? Slight differences are there. There are some like more strokes in this kanji. But please remember similar kanjis as well, okay? Because in the question paper, you will be asked questions to recognize different kanjis also. Okay, you have to select the correct one. And for that, you should be observing these differences. Okay, so just now we have seen yaku, 100, then sen, 1000, man, 10,000, en, yen, and nen or toshi is year. Okay. So remaining kanjis we will continue learning in the next class. Thank you.